Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making chocolate covered grapes. And I don't know about you, but in my opinion, chocolate and fruit always goes great together. This is also a pretty great snack for when you have a party or when you have kids. So, let's start. First, we're gonna need some chocolate. We're gonna break it up in pieces so it can melt easier. I have some chocolate sprinkles here and also some sugar sprinkles. So we have our chocolate, grapes, sugar sprinkles and chocolate sprinkles. First we're gonna melt our chocolate. When it's melted, we're gonna make our assembly line. Put a grape in the chocolate and let the excess chocolate drip off. Put it on some parchment paper and throw some sprinkles on it. Let the chocolate harden, put them in a bowl, and you're already done making this easy and delicious recipe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, and I'll see you next time at your dinner.